my name is Nick, and today's tooltip is going to be on entering an insertion offset for plumbing fixtures. As we look at our bathroom design, we can see that we're actually missing a toilet in our design. I want to place that toilet in between my vanity and my glass shower wall. To do this, I'm going to flip back into a 2D view, and I want to make sure that collision is turned on. I'm going to select the Interiors tab and select my plumbing fixtures. This will allow me to select a toilet from the catalog. I'm going to bring my mouse into my drawing area, and before I go to insert it, I'm going to right click to bring up the context menu and select Enter Insertion Offset. This will give me an Enter Insertion Offset dialog box, which will allow me to enter in values from the left and right, front and back of the element. I want to make sure that I add in a value from the back of my toilet to be 1 inch. This will allow me to place the toilet 1 inch away from the wall so that I can get the lid off the toilet easily. I also want to add in a value of 1 foot from the left hand side of the toilet, so that way it doesn't sit too close to the vanity. By doing that and clicking OK, when I go to place my toilet in, it's going to automatically place it 1 inch away from the wall and 1 foot away from the vanity. I can move this as close as I want to on the right hand side because I left that at 0. But if I move this to the left and bring it down and left click once, I now have placed my toilet into my design at the desired dimensions. Hopefully this tooltip will help you out in the future. Thank you very much.